Before we even open the door, pause for a moment, because this is not just the entrance to a house. It's the first step into a mansion that seems to float in the middle of the forest, a place where modern architecture, glass and cedar wood meet nature in a way that feels almost cinematic. And everything begins right here at the entrance. As you walk along the main pathway to the property, the first thing you notice is the overwhelming sense of calm. A natural stone walkway slowly guides you toward the front facade of the house, while the surrounding forest creates a quiet and exclusive atmosphere. The architecture begins to reveal itself. Large glass panels reflect the trees around the property, while the cedar wood volumes bring warmth and elegance to the modern design. Nothing here feels excessive. Every element was carefully designed to highlight the natural landscape. Subtle architectural lighting starts to appear as we approach the main door. Soft, warm lights emphasize the textures of the wood and natural stone. The house almost feels like it's inviting you inside. And when the glass doors finally open, the interior reveals something even more impressive. Just past the entrance, the space opens into a wide and luminous environment. This is where the true intention behind this mansion becomes clear. A home that doesn't try to compete with nature, but instead fully integrates with it. And the first stop inside the house brings us to one of the most important spaces in any luxury residence, the living room. And the view waiting there is simply unforgettable. As soon as you step into the living room, the first thing you notice is the light. Massive floor-to-ceiling glass walls completely connect the interior of the house with the surrounding forest. From anywhere in the room, the landscape becomes part of the experience. The space follows a modern and minimalist design. Large, comfortable sofas, neutral tones, and cedarwood details create an elegant and welcoming atmosphere. Natural stone flooring completes the space, balancing luxury with nature. But the true highlight of this room is the view. Beyond the glass walls, the forest stretches endlessly across the horizon. During the day, natural light fills the entire space. And at sunset, the living room transforms into a peaceful retreat suspended above nature. It's in this moment that you realize this house was designed for something more than just luxury. It was created to experience nature every single day, from the best seat in the house. Right next to the living room, the space naturally opens into the dining area. Here, the architecture continues the same idea seen throughout the house: simplicity, elegance, and a strong connection with nature. At the center of the room, a large natural wood dining table becomes the focal point of the space. The lines are clean, the design is minimalist, and every element was chosen to maintain harmony with the rest of the home. Above the table, modern pendant lights create a soft and welcoming atmosphere. But once again, what truly defines this space is what lies outside. The massive glass walls continue to reveal the surrounding forest, turning every meal into a unique experience. During the day, natural light fills the entire room. And at night, the warm interior lighting transforms the space into a sophisticated and intimate setting. A perfect place to gather friends, family, and enjoy the beauty of the landscape around you. Continuing the tour through the house, we now arrive at one of the most impressive spaces in the interior: the kitchen. Designed to combine technology, elegance, and functionality, this space follows the same philosophy seen throughout the entire residence. Clean lines, natural materials, and a minimalist design create a sophisticated and extremely modern atmosphere. At the center of the room, a large natural stone island dominates the space, offering both a preparation area and a gathering point for conversations and informal moments. Built-in cabinetry keeps the design clean and organized, while state-of-the-art appliances blend seamlessly into the kitchen's architecture. But even here, the design never loses its connection with nature. Massive glass walls allow natural light to flood the space, while the surrounding forest continues to be part of the experience. Cooking in this kitchen is not just a daily task. It becomes a moment of quiet contemplation. As we move up to the upper level of the house, we arrive at one of the most private and special spaces in the residence: the master suite. Designed to offer absolute tranquility, this space was created as a true retreat within the home. The bed is positioned directly in front of a massive glass wall, allowing the forest landscape to become part of the room. When you wake up in the morning, The first thing you see is the green of the trees and the soft light crossing the valley. The design of the suite follows the same minimalist language found throughout the house. Neutral tones, natural wood, and soft lighting create a calm and sophisticated atmosphere. Every detail was designed to provide comfort while maintaining a strong connection with nature. And when the glass doors open, a private terrace reveals an even more impressive view of the surrounding landscape. A perfect place to start the day peacefully or simply enjoy the quiet of the forest. Continuing from the master suite, we now arrive at a space that transforms the daily routine into a true moment of relaxation, the master bathroom. Designed with the same attention to detail seen throughout the house, this space combines luxury, simplicity, and a deep connection with nature. At the center of the room, an elegant freestanding soaking tub is strategically positioned beside a large panoramic window. From here, it's possible to enjoy the forest landscape while experiencing a moment of complete tranquility. Natural materials such as stone and wood continue throughout the design, reinforcing the architectural identity of the residence. Soft lighting creates the atmosphere of a private spa, where every detail invites relaxation. During the day, natural light fills the space and highlights the textures of the materials. At night, warm lighting transforms the bathroom into an even more welcoming environment. More than just a bathroom, this space was designed as a true wellness retreat within the home, a place where luxury and nature come together in perfect harmony. And now we arrive at the space that truly defines the spirit of this house, the outdoor area. As soon as we step onto the main terrace, the landscape opens completely before us. And at the center of this scene lies one of the most impressive features of the entire property, the infinity pool. Suspended above the forest valley, the pool seems to blend seamlessly with the horizon. The water reflects the sky, the surrounding trees, and the architecture of the house itself, creating a sense of continuity between nature and design. The terrace around it was designed for moments of absolute relaxation. Modern lounge chairs, comfortable seating areas, and an elegant linear fire feature beside the pool add even more sophistication to the space. During the day, the area is illuminated by natural light and by the endless green landscape stretching as far as the eye can see. But it is at sunset that this place becomes truly special. Golden light passes through the forest, reflecting on the surface of the water and transforming the entire outdoor area into an almost cinematic setting. Here, every detail was designed to create a unique experience, not just for swimming, but for feeling nature in a completely different way. And as night begins to fall over the forest, the house reveals a completely different side of its architecture. Embedded lights highlight every line of the structure, illuminating the wood, the glass, and the volumes that seem to float above the ground. The infinity pool begins to reflect the lights of the house and the night sky above the forest. From a distance, the mansion almost looks like a modern lantern glowing in the middle of nature, a perfect balance between contemporary architecture and the natural landscape. This is not just a place to live. It is a space created to experience luxury, silence, and the beauty of nature every single day. And that is what makes this house truly extraordinary. If you enjoyed this tour and want to explore more incredible architectural designs like this one, make sure to subscribe to the channel and tell us in the comments, would you live in a house like this, surrounded by the forest? Welcome to FORMALUX 3D, where architecture meets imagination.